Hello friends, myself Mr. Amit Mistry as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department from Vallabhbudhi Polytechnic, Navsari. Subject name Wiring Estimating, Costing and Contracting in Unit 1 Electrical Wiring and I Tools. In previous lecture we are discussed about what is wire and types of wire, and then next today we are going to types of wiring. Okay. Uh, Before we discuss about the types of wiring, first we discuss the point to be considered for the selection of wiring. Without wire, wiring is not possible. So the selection of the wiring, so the more important point are kept in mind. First, the safety from fire. Wiring should be safe all the manner. It does not shock during electric shock. Okay. Then next, the initial cost. The initial cost of the wiring should be economical, as suitable to consumer. Okay. Then durability. The wiring should be durable. It's a એવું કહેવાય કે વાયરિંગની લાઈફ જે છે એટલે હાઉસની જેટલી લાઈફ છે એટલી હોવી જોઈએ. મિકેનિકલ પ્રોટેક્શન છે, કેબલને મિકેનિકલ પ્રોટેક્શન મળે એ રીતનું વાયરિંગ હોવું જોઈએ. ધ એપિરિયન્સ ઓફ ધ વાયરિંગ ગુડ. વાયરિંગનો દેખાવ કેવો હોવો જોઈએ? સારો હોવો જોઈએ. એન્ડ એક્સેસિબિલિટી ડ્યુરિંગ ધ એક્સટેન્ડ ઓફ ધ વાયરિંગ ઓર રિપેરિંગ ઓફ ધ વાયરિંગ શુડ બી એક્સેસિબિલિટી હોવી જોઈએ. ધ લાઈફ ઓફ ધ વાયરિંગ હાઈ. વાયરિંગની લાઈફ બી કેવી હોવી જોઈએ? વધારે હોવી જોઈએ. એન્ડ ધેન નેક્સ્ટ ધ મેન્ટેનન્સ કોસ્ટ. મેન્ટેનન્સ કોસ્ટ બી વાયરિંગની કેવી હોવી જોઈએ? હાઈ હોવી જોઈએ. ઓકે. ધેન નેક્સ્ટ ધ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ વાયરિંગ. ધેર આર ધ ટુ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ વાયરિંગ in domestic wiring and industrial wiring. And then next first the clit wiring, batten wiring, casing capping wiring and conduit wiring. We discuss about all the types of wiring one by one. First we discuss about the clit wiring. What is clit wiring? Clit wiring means there are the two clit. It is a base made of the porcelain. રાઈટ. ક્લીટ જે છે એ પોર્સેલનનું બનેલું હોય છે અને એ ટુ પાર્ટ્સમાં હોય છે, એને બેઝ એન્ડ કેપ. ઓકે. ઇટ ઇઝ અ simple method and cheap wiring, and it is a temporary wiring. In this type of wiring, PVC wire or VI wire cable are used. In this type of wire, when the wire pass on the wall or ceiling, the must be only for the conduit wiring are used. It's a life temporary wiring, so this type of wiring about 5 years. Okay. And advantages and disadvantages of the clit wiring. The advantages of this wiring, it is a temporary wiring, so the material are collected after removal of this installation. Okay. Then next, the expansion of the wiring. Expansion of the wiring is possible. So it is a clit wiring, it is a temporary wiring, so the wiring should be accessible. Okay. Then next, fall can be easily located in temporary wiring. So in clit wiring the fall can be easily identified. And disadvantages, the clit wiring has less safety and poor appearance and cannot be used for the permanent installation, because the clit wiring, this is a clit type of wiring. There are the two clit. Okay. There are the two clit. Okay. Clit, it is made of the porcelain, right, and two base. Now when the wire pass through the clit, okay, and then fitted on the wooden pattern. Okay. Then next, batten wiring. Batten wiring, there are the three types of: PVC batten wiring, CTS or TRS wiring, or a lead sheet wiring. In what is a batten wiring? Batten means એક wooden strip. Wooden strip એટલે કે એક સાગની લાકડાની પટ્ટી જેને આપણે વોલ પર સ્ક્રૂની મદદથી ફિટ કરીએ છીએ. ઓકે. અને એ બેટન ઉપર જો ધારો કે PVC વાયર અને બેટનની ઉપર સ્મોલ ક્લિપ, પટ્ટાની ક્લિપ હશે, અને એ ક્લિપની મદદથી વાયરને એ વુડન સ્ટ્રીપ ઉપર ફિટ કરવામાં આવે. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ધ બેટન વાયરિંગ. વેન ધ પીવીસી વાયર આર યુઝ, સો ધ પીવીસી બેટન વાયરિંગ, and then the cap tire sheet અથવા the tough rubber sheet wire are used, so this is called the CTS or TRS batten wiring. This type of wiring are batten wiring. This is the batten cable and clip. Okay, and then next, lead sheet batten wiring. Lead sheet batten wiring is the lead sheet wire. It is a protect against the good mechanical protection and protection against the fire. Okay, and this type of wiring are low voltage installation, and this type of wiring are for good earthing. The disadvantages of this wiring, it is not suitable for the acid, where the acid are present. Okay, this is a lead sheet type of wiring. What is the advantages and disadvantages of batten wiring? In batten wiring installation, it is very simple and easy, right? And it is cheap as compared to the other type of wiring. Repairing easy and strong and last casting. Okay, and less chances of leakage current in batten type wiring. Okay, and disadvantages of this wiring. So in batten wiring, so the risk of the fire, it is a maximum. Okay, not set for the external due to the weather effect, because the wire are outside of the batten. So all the factors are considered in this type of wiring. Okay, cannot be installed in humidity or chemical effect. Okay, only suitable for 250 volt domestic, less than 250 volt. Okay, then next, casing capping wiring. What is casing capping wiring? There are the two types of wooden casing capping wiring or next PVC casing capping wiring. Wooden casing capping wiring means the wooden casing, these are fitted on the wall with the help of screw, and the two strips are provided on the casing. In this casing, wire are under the casing and cap are provided over the casing. Okay, this is the wooden casing capping wiring. Okay, and next, PVC casing capping wiring. PVC casing capping wiring means in PVC channel or other name PVC channel wiring. So here the casing, PVC channel casing or over above the capping. Okay, this is the casing or over the capping, and VIR or PVC wire are in the casing. Okay, in PVC casing capping wiring or PVC channel, PVC type channel, it is fit on the wall with the help of screw, and wire are passed over the casing and cap provided over this casing. Okay, this is the PVC casing capping wiring. What is the advantages and disadvantages of casing capping wiring? First advantage is it is compared to sheet or conduit wiring, it is a cheap wiring. It is strong and long life. Okay, if the phase and neutral wire are installed separately slot, then repairing is easy. Okay, and the appearance in PVC casing capping wiring, the appearance are good. In most of the domestic housing are PVC casing capping wiring are used. Okay, and disadvantages of this type of wiring, there is a risk of fire in casing capping wiring, not suitable for acid, alkalic or humidity condition. Repairing costs are more and more material are required, right? And then next, this is a PVC channel wiring. Okay, PVC casing capping or channel wiring. And then next, conduit wiring. What is conduit wiring? This is the most popular type of wiring. Okay, conduit means there are the two types of conduit, metal conduit or PVC conduit. Okay, and there are the two types of wiring, surface conduit or concealed conduit wiring. Okay, in surface conduit wiring, the conduit installed on the roof or wall. Okay, this is a means કે વોલ અથવા સીલિંગની ઉપર જે વાયરિંગ જે છે કંડ્યુટ સેડલની મદદથી કંડ્યુટને ફિટ કરવામાં આવે, ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ધ સરફેસ કંડ્યુટ વાયરિંગ. એન્ડ વેન ધ કંડ્યુટ આર ઇનસાઇડ ધ વોલ, okay, so the hidden wall, it is called the concealed conduit wiring. Most of the popular wiring are the concealed conduit wiring because it is more popular and beautiful. Okay, There are the two types of conduit, metal conduit and non-metallic conduit. In metal conduit wiring, so earthing is must be proper, earthing is very necessary. Okay, two types of metallic conduits, so low gauge or high gauge. Okay, and non-metallic conduit, so PVC conduit are used. What is the advantages of the conduit type of wiring? It is a safe wiring. In concealed conduit wiring, appearance of this wiring are good, no risk of mechanical wear or tear or other fire system. Okay, repairing and maintenance easy. There is no risk of damage of cable insulation. Okay, it is safe from the corrosion. It can be used even humidity, chemical effect, smoke. It is a all suitable area. Okay, no risk of electric shock. It is reliable and popular type of wiring. What is the disadvantages of the conduit wiring? So this type of wiring, it is very costly, because the PVC concealed conduit wiring, conduit are inside the wall, so this type of conduit wiring, it is a very highly cost. Installation is not easy and simple. Okay, and very complicated to manage the additional connection in the future. જો ફ્યુચરમાં તમારે વધારે એક્સટેન્ડ કરવું હોય તો it is very concealed conduit wiring, it is very complicated. And the size of the conduit in market available, like 13 16 by 2, 18.7, 20, 25 gauge, 37, 50, or many other gauge type of conduit are available. So this is a conduit type of wiring. Okay, a conduit fit on the wall with the help of saddles. Some distance over the saddles are fitted. Okay, so the comparison between the different types of wiring, in cleat wiring, casing capping, batten wiring, or conduit wiring. First of the life of the wiring, it is a conduit wiring, it is a very long life, and cost, it is a very highly cost for the conduit wiring. Okay, so the mechanical protection, in conduit wiring, the mechanical protection it is very good, and possibility of the fire for casing capping and batten wiring good. Okay, the protection from dampness. Okay, in casing capping wiring, it is a slide and later, and conduit wiring, it is a very good. The types of labor required in different type of wiring, the types of labor required are different. Okay, in cleat wiring, semi-skilled person like ITI person. Okay, and a very highly skilled person are used in the conduit wiring, concealed conduit wiring. Okay, or casing capping wiring. Installation, it is very easy for cleat wiring and difficult for the conduit wiring. Inspection, so the conduit wiring inspection be difficult, repairing difficult, and popularity for the most of the wiring, popularity in conduit wiring, in concealed conduit wiring or PVC channel wiring. Okay, then next, different tools are used in the wiring. Different type of use in the wiring. First of the combinational plier. Okay, what is a combinational plier? There are the two types, flat nose or round nose plier. Combinational plier, it is the hold the wire or twisted wire or cut the wire. Flat nose plier, it is the only for હોલ્ડ માટે. ઓકે, પકડવા માટે ફ્લેટ નોઝ પ્લાયરનો યુઝ થાય. ને રાઉન્ડ નોઝ પ્લાયર એટલે જે અંદરથી વાયરને અંદરથી ખેંચીને ટ્વિસ્ટ કરવું હોય તે માટે રાઉન્ડ નોઝ વાયરનો યુઝ છે. કટર, ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝ ફોર ધ કટ ધ વાયર સ્ટ્રીપર, it is used for the removing the insulation without cut the wire. Okay, વાયર સ્ટ્રીપરનો યુઝ વાયરનું ઇન્સ્યુલેશન રિમૂવ કરવા માટે યુઝ થાય છે, વાયરને કટ કર્યા વગર. ઓકે, એન્ડ ધેન હેક્સો આર યુઝ, ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝ ફોર ધ PVC channel wiring. So the PVC channel ને કટ કરવા માટે હેક્સોનો યુઝ થાય છે. વોટ ઇઝ ધ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સ્ક્રૂ ડ્રાઈવ સ્ક્રૂને ડ્રાઈવ કરવા માટે અથવા ટ્વિસ્ટેજ કરવા માટે સ્ક્રૂ ડ્રાઈવનો યુઝ થાય છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ મેની measuring tape for the measure the length. Test lamp, it is very useful for testing the circuit. Okay, and standard wire gauge, SWG. Okay, SWG, it is used measure for the measuring the wire gauge. Okay, thank you.